Metabolism of fructose. Fructose is rapidly metabolized as compared to glucose because it bypasses regulatory step catalyzed by PFK1, which is a rate-limiting enzyme of glycolysis. Further, fructose forms acetyl coenzyme A, which leads to enhanced fatty acid synthesis, increased esterification of fatty acids, and increased VLDL secretion, thus fats. So fructose is regarded as most lipogenic sugar. Organ in the liver mainly. Source disaccharide, which is sucrose. Monosaccharide, that is fructose in fruits, honey, and high fructose corn syrup. Step 1. Phosphorylation. Fructokinase catalyzes the phosphorylation of fructose to fructose 1-phosphate. Unlike glucokinase, its activity is not affected by fasting or insulin, which explains why fructose is cleared from the blood of a diabetic patient in normal range. 1 ATP is used. Step 2. Cleavage of fructose 1-phosphate. Fructose 1-phosphate is cleaved to D-glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, by aldolase B. Step 3. Conversion of glyceraldehyde to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. DHAP and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate both are glycolytic intermediates, so they enter glycolysis. Rest of the metabolism is the same like glycolysis. So the energetics of fructose is same like glucose. That is 32 ATPs obtained per molecule. Aldolase A is located in most tissues, and the reactions catalyzed by it are cleavage of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate into DHAP and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Aldolase B is located in the liver, kidneys, and small intestine. The reaction catalyzed is cleavage of fructose 1-phosphate into DHAP and glyceraldehyde. Aldolase C is located in the brain. Reaction catalyzed is cleavage of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate into DHAP and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Essential fructosuria or benign fructosuria. There is deficiency of fructokinase. It is an accidental finding when urine Benedict's test is positive but glucose oxidase test strip negative. Fructose not raised in blood because hexokinase, which is a non-specific enzyme, can phosphorylate fructose as well, but it has high Km, low affinity for fructose. Fructose is excreted in urine because of lack of renal threshold for fructose. Therefore, it is called essential fructosuria or benign fructosuria and not fructosemia. Hereditary fructose intolerance. There is deficiency of aldolase B. It is autosomal recessive. It is asymptomatic, but fructose ingestion causes symptoms. Typically, child presents after weaning when fruit juices are started in the diet. Known as fructose-induced hypoglycemia despite the presence of high glycogen reserves. Diagnosis is done by fructose in urine and confirmatory diagnosis by doing enzyme assay in liver. Treatment is complete exclusion of fructose, sorbitol, and sucrose in the diet.